I'm going to find the sum of this series, and the alternating part kind of throws you off. If I tell you to find the sum, it's either right now going to be telescoping, which you just had, or geometric. We won't have any other way to find the sum. So, it must be geometric. There is a way to rewrite this so it looks geometric, but let's just consider the first few terms. When n is 0, these exponents are zeros, so we just get a 7. When n is 1, when the exponents are 1s, we get negative 1 times 7 all over 4, or negative 7/4. We get a 7 minus 7/4. When n is 2, we get positive 1 times 7 over 16. So we get 7 over 16 as the third term. N is 0, n is 1, n is 2. When n is 3, we get negative 1 times 7 over 64, or negative 7 over 64 when n is 3. And each time we're multiplying by the ratio of negative 1/4. And so the ratio is negative 1/4. The first term is a 7. The absolute value of that ratio is less than 1, so we get convergence. We even know what it converges to. The sum is a over 1 minus r, the first term over 1 minus, be careful, the ratio, which is negative. And so we get 7 over 1 plus 1/4, 7 over 5/4, 28 over 5 is what the sum is. There is a way we could have written in the beginning, if negative 1 is to the n and 4 is to the n, we could have written it as 7 times negative 1/4, the whole thing to the n. And it would have been a little more obvious. You can pull the 7 out, you can leave the 7 in, and we would have seen that the ratio is negative 1/4, a little simpler that way. When in doubt, if you're asked to find the sum of a series, right now we have these two ways, telescoping or geometric, and for geometric we want to write out the first few terms.